National Risk Registry to be established. Phase 1 of HOPE program launched, and
the government of Jamaica is making the commitment to reduce our road fatalities by 50%.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Simone Wolf. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says a National Risk Registry is to be created.
The National Risk Registry will be responsible for the conduct of national risk assessments and will be the primary medium of national risk management in the government, aiming to inform civil emergency contingency planning at the national level based on a process of identification, assessment, and prioritization of a range of representative risk scenarios.
The Prime Minister was speaking Thursday at the Guardsman Group Security Forum at the Knutsford Court Hotel. He said the state would continue to engage the private security sector, which he called a critical part of citizen safety and security.
In addition to their role in job creation of over 23,000 Jamaicans, the private security industry is an essential component of the national security framework, providing value, including protection of access control points, protection for employees, clients, communities, homes, and corporate assets.
Earlier in the week, the Prime Minister launched the employment phase of the Housing Opportunity Production Employment HOPE program. 130,000 unattached youth will benefit from the initiative.
This is not just an employment strategy, a production strategy. This is how we intend to really make transformational changes to our society as well, especially as it relates to crime and violence.
At Monday's launch, Mr. Holness announced Colonel Martin Rickman as the national coordinator for the program. With the help of liaison officers across government, Colonel Rickman will seek out opportunities for youth to be engaged. The Prime Minister said the National Apprenticeship Act will be revised to include the 18 to 24-year-old age group that's targeted under HOPE.
We're going through every ministry, every agency, every department. What are the critical things that you need to get done? The HOPE program will identify the youngsters, give them the necessary skills, bring them under an apprenticeship framework, and set them to work in building a better, more efficient Jamaican public service.
At Jamaica House Wednesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness committed his government to cutting road fatalities in half by the year 2020. The pledge came as he launched the 4th UN Global Road Safety Week. Mr. Holness said government was increasing its enforcement and would be using technology and increased road safety features to save lives. He also said international partnerships and collaboration with road safety advocates to change behavior would also be utilized.
We are serious about taking the fastest route of action on this initiative. Without a doubt, road safety is a priority for Jamaica, and I am reiterating this as Prime Minister and Chair of the National Road Safety Council.
The doors of the courtesy room were flung open this past week. On Tuesday, Mr. Holness held talks with a delegation from Everglades Farm, the operators of the Long Pond and Hamden Sugar Estates in Trelawney. Thursday saw the Prime Minister engaging a group of students from the Hanover-based Watford Hill Primary School. And on Friday, Mr. Holness met with a number of businessmen. Friday also saw Prime Minister Holness hosting Jamaica House staff members who are mothers ahead of Mother's Day on Sunday. Before that, the Prime Minister went next door to Jamaica House Basic School to participate in their celebration of Read Across Jamaica Day.
Mommy says, if I drink my milk, I will grow big and strong. Who likes to drink milk? Yeah, so you're going to grow big and Daddy says, if I eat my fruit, I will grow big and strong. So everybody here is going to grow big and very good. So you're going to start at my knees, and then you're growing to my hips, and then to my ribs, and then very soon you may be taller than I am.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.